Greetings YouTube, Performance Reviews, where I give you the review from the technician's point of view. And today I want to give my top 5 vacuum cleaners that are slept on and not really talked about. You know, if you just go ask Google Gemini, what vacuum cleaner should I buy, or the top 5 vacuums, you're going to get an AI slop list that is terrible. So let's go against that narrative today and show some vacuum cleaners that are actually good. Now, if you're new to the channel, I'm Performance Reviews. I have over 20 years in the vacuum cleaner industry, both fixing, repairing, selling, and now testing vacuums for YouTube. So I give very thorough reviews. Definitely check out the rest of the channel. I probably have specific videos on some of these recommendations. Number 1 recommendation that is slept on, I'm going to say the LINDHAUS HEALTHCARE Pro, or the Diamante, but really the HEALTHCARE Pro. This upright has been on the market since the late 90s. It is a fantastic vacuum cleaner and has the ability to have HEPA 13 in its exhaust or just basic filtration. It has onboard tools, and it's one of the few upright vacuums kind of left on the market that's heavy duty. As you may or may not know, upright vacuums have kind of slowly declined in past years. So would definitely recommend the LINDHAUS HEALTHCARE Pro. And of course, LINDHAUS has that anti-tangle brush roller technology they've been known for forever. I did a whole video on that if you want to know more details. The other vacuum that LINDHAUS makes I want to put right up there is the Vacmaster Eco, which comes in both a corded and cordless option. This is a little bit lighter weight than the HEALTHCARE Pro. It's about 2/3 the size. Really a fantastic vacuum. I can't recommend this enough. I did a whole series of videos on the cordless version, but the corded version's even better in my opinion. Now, if you're deep into research, this brand probably comes up the most, which is SEBO. And SEBO is a German manufacturer of vacuum cleaners, and they make commercial vacuum equipment as well. And they're really dedicated, almost an obsession, to making things good. And they just make vacuum cleaners. They're really good at their specialty and their niche. And I think the most slept on machine is probably the E3. So the D4 has a great reputation online for being like the XL canister to buy. The K3 often gets recommended because it's been on the market for like 20 years, but the E3 is a successor to the K3, has a larger bag capacity, has a tapered hose, a little bit quieter. I really recommend this machine, and since I opened my store a few years ago, this is my #1 selling portable vacuum. Now, if this is my #1 selling portable vacuum, how is it slept on? Well, if you Google it or you look at it online, there's not much in terms of reviews past an unboxing video I did and some dealers putting out content and the occasional Reddit post. So I really recommend this machine, and this is great for somebody who has a house, 2,000-3,000 square feet, maybe almost 4,000 square feet with that 30-foot cord. And it's just a fantastic canister, and it has a 10-year warranty. It is built to last. So definitely the E3 is slept on, and if you just have hard floors and area rugs, I'd say also the E2 is very slept on. Now, if you find these suggestions useful or they've put you on the right track, if you could do us a big favor, check the description box below. There will either be links to get some of these on Amazon or finding your local dealer. And a lot of times you're going to get a better price at a local dealer on some of these. So don't be afraid to be old school and shop locally. Alright, the next machine that's slept on a lot are pneumatics. We've had Henry pneumatics in the US for 30-40 years almost. People tend to forget they exist. Their distribution is kind of poor on the home side. Because they're a commercial vacuum, people just kind of forget about them. But if you just have hard floors and area rugs, these are fantastic machines. They're designed to last 2,000 working hours. They balance well on stairs if you get the 160 model. Fun fact of why they have that smiling face. They added the smiling face so commercial cleaners at night in offices wouldn't beat these things up, and it's hard to hate something that has such a happy face. So even though he has a silly face, he is a serious vacuum. And they're kind of middle of the price range for what they are in the market. So I really recommend Henry's and pneumatics. Now, if you have wall-to-wall carpet, these are not for you. Again, these are really for area rugs and hard floor only. Now, this is easily the biggest vacuum company on this list, and they're not even a vacuum company, they're an appliance company. Everybody knows Miele. They make wonderful stuff. They've been around forever. However, their machines are really slept on in their mid-price range. The C1 has been on the market since like 2008, maybe longer. Originally sold as the S2000, but if you want like an entry-level machine with a carpet attachment, getting a C1 cat and dog is probably the most slept on machine. It comes with a nice turbo tool. Now, it is limited to the size of your house. It only has a 19-foot cord, so if you tried to do like a 3,000 or 4,000 square foot house, this is not for you. They make the L1 for that. If you have a smaller house, smaller area, the C1 is really a great value. And for some reason, Miele USA's been doing like quarterly sales, so often you'll see these things discounted, 10, 20%. Take advantage of those sales when you see them and get yourself a Miele C1. If you only have hard floor and area rugs, you could also take a look at the C1 Turbo Team. This is a fantastic value, especially when it goes on sale. Now, if some of these other options are out of your price range, but you still want good performance, and you're willing to make the sacrifice of quality and being made in a first world country, Vacmaster is for you. Vacmaster is one of the Cleva brands, and Cleva is an OEM for Kenmore and Shark and some of those others. You can get a Vacmaster upright for about $100. And if you have medium to low pile carpet and something like an apartment, this is perfect for you. These are great budget machines. They're relatively good on the filtration. However, that will degrade with time. These housings will melt in some of these uprights and not be quite a sealed system. But if you buy the bagged version of these machines, like I'm recommending, I think it's a good value, and it's hard to ignore. It's better than anything that Walmart or Target has to offer, and you're really getting a lot of value. So don't be afraid to get a Vacmaster if you're on a budget and you just want something simple. I know this is a list of top 5 vacuums, but I wanted to put one more honorable mention here, which is the Bissell Zing. The Bissell Zing is made by a Chinese company, and it has many names and many manufacturers who make the same basic vacuum with slightly different features and accessories. So the Bissell Zing, the Titan T1400, the Simplicity version of this canister, these are all good options if you're trying to ball on a budget and just have hard floors and area rugs. Again, not going to last forever, but the bags are inexpensive, and it uses a standard 1.25" fitting, so you can put whatever you want on the end of the hose. So yeah, that's an honorable mention. Well, I hope that list has been useful to you if you're vacuum shopping. Don't be afraid to stop by your local vacuum shop and get a deal locally if you can. I'll put a link below to some dealer locators, and then I'll have some Amazon links as well that support the channel. Again, thanks for watching, subscribe on your way out, and have a wonderful day.